Hi guys! You ready for part 2 of your snowman? You should have in front of you 3 pieces of cardstock that are this size, the smaller size, the 8.5 by 11. And you should have 3 paper templates for every 3 of you, at least, if not more. But 3 paper, oh, there's my, bang on my thumb. Look at that. Anyways, I'm sorry, there's the 3, you should have 3 templates. One's a big circle, one's a middle circle, and one's a smaller circle. And you're going to be holding those down on the paper and tracing them with a felt pen. So the trick is, remember that when we use a template, that's that circle that you're going to trace around, we don't care if you get felt pen on the template itself. No big deal. But the trick is to remember to hold it down with one hand and then trace around it, and then hold it down with one hand and then trace around it one way, and then bring your hand over here and trace around it the other way, but do not move the template. I do not have paper templates today, so I'm going to have you imagine that this is a template right here. It is a template, but it's not made out of paper. It's one of those lids. And I'm going to put that down. I'm going to hold it, and I want my snowman to be blue around the edges, so I'm going to use a blue felt pen. So I'm going to do blue, blue here. Very good. Voila. I'm done. You are going to do one of those for each of your snowmen. You're going to do one of those for each of the sizes of your circles, a big, medium, and a large. What I just realized, what hit my brain, is that you don't need 3 8.5 by 11 sheets. You just need 2. Just 2. That's all. And I just realized that. Because to make best use of our paper, you're going to put one big circle here, and your medium and your small circles here. So that's just 2 sheets of paper. So if you did already get 3 sheets of paper, maybe you could raise one in the air, and one of the helpers will come get those from you. And then if you mess something up, if you make a mess up and you need a new sheet of paper, and you can't write on the back of yours, this is so hard, and you can't write on the back of yours, maybe it already has something on it like this one does, then they can give you another sheet of paper. Not a problem. All right. Right now, what I'd like you to do is do your 3 circles. Go ahead and do that, and if somebody can pause this video right here and wait until everybody has their 3 circles done, then that'll be just fine. Remember to make it'd be good if the outside of your circle, the pen part of your circle, is the same color as what you want the snowman edge to be. Because in just a minute, when you get all these circles drawn, don't cut them out yet. We're going to add oil pastels. Pause. All right. So now I'm going to get out the oil pastels. I am just going to use one. Remember when we've used oil pastels before, we say lots of color. Add lots of color in each space. Well, this time I'm going to say the opposite. Just choose one color. So around I'm going to start with my big circle. On the inside of the circle, I am going to put that oil pastel. But I'm not going to go way in. This is just supposed to be a shadow in the snow. So I'm just going to kind of draw my line around the edge. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. There we go. And I'm going to do that on all 3 circles. That was my big circle. And now I'm going to do my medium circle, and then I'm going to do my little bitty circle. Then I have all 3 done, and take your finger and kind of smush that. You can go to the side like this, but you can also go away out to the circle, outside of the circle, and that's fine. It's fine for you to get that smudging. You see all that smudging that's happening there? It's fine for you to get that smudging out there on the outside. Just don't want it to really come to the inside. But it softens the edge when we use that finger, we make more of a soft shadow. And oh, we work our fingers so hard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys are having fun. If you're watching this, it's probably the week before Thanksgiving. Maybe it's the week after. I don't know. And I wonder if it's still cold. Is it still cold? Is it icy? Has anybody seen snow? Now we're smudging. Do you see how soft that is? Oh, that looks so good. I really like that. So now it's all soft and smudged. Okay, so I'm going to have you pause right here and go ahead and you do that to yours. You get all that oil pastel on and get yours all smudged. And then when everybody's done this part, then you can come back to the video and we'll do the next part together.